Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are grubbing down on Indian food. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Fam Bam Lovey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that post notification. Enough mumbo jumbo. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Okay, we got butter chicken with rice and naan. And then it comes with a little salad. Tandoori wings. And then, of course, we had to get samosas. There are like 5 different kinds of samosa. One is chicken. One is lamb. The regular potato. The spinach and cheese one, I forgot what it is. I think it's pani something, I think. And then the other one is, I'm not sure. I don't know. But we gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. So let's get some bites in because I'm starving. It's raining here, and let's start with a samosa, shall we? All right. I don't know how to tell which is which. I want the potato one so bad. All right, we're going to start with this. We got the mint and the tamarind sauce here. The mint chutney. And then we got some other sauce that I'm not sure what it is. Damn, that tamarind sauce is really sweet. This is from a new place, not my regular place. Oh, that smells good. This is from a place called Samosa Bites. Is this the one I had picked up? Which is the one I picked up? And let's see this one. You guys get that bite? Okay. That's chicken. Am I going to bite every single one of them? Yes. Yes, I will. This is the potato. This is the classic samosa. And I love it. It's cold and snowing here in New York. So, ooh. This is hitting in all levels. Let's try this other sauce. Wow. We got a new nail set, just basic. Oh, sorry. A basic pinky color. Let's try these tandoori wings. Oh. These look bomb. I think this is what this sauce is for. Tandoori is always gonna hit. I don't care what you say. Indian food is by far. That's just onion. Some of the best food Mm-hmm. So how was my lovey's weekend? Mine was good. I can't complain. Let's... Now I'm thinking. Is this green for the salad? I don't know. I like it better with the wings. But anyhow, let's try this butter chicken. And I know when you people say butter chicken is not traditional. Let's try the sauce, just the sauce first. But if you're not new here, I want to get some of the rice on that bottom. If you're not new here, you know. You know that it's, there's only so much I could eat of Indian food because a lot of it has curry. Ooh, that's a good bite. Mm-hmm. Let's get a piece of chicken. It is very, on the tomato side. Wow. Dipped it in the mint chutney. So good. Very, very good. All right. Let's see what this samosa is. Ooh. Wait a second. This is the potato. Oh, the other one was chickpea. Okay. So clearly I was really looking forward to the chickpea one. I want to try the lamb one. I love lamb. This is lamb. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. So the last one is the spinach and cheese one, which I'll leave for my mom because she loves that one. Yeah, ma'am. This place is good. But I still prefer my OG, which is Yar Indian. I just like trying different places, you know? You gotta judge it up sometimes. Baby, hitting every spot. I just wish this wasn't so, like, I wish it was a little more creamier, you know? Excuse me. Yes, I could eat plain lettuce. Let's see. Let's take this piece of chick and dip it in the mint. Let's dip it in that sauce. Hit him. This is giving it that creaminess that this needs, you know? Boom. One thing about me is I'm always bug up the tandoori. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, well, follow me over there. Because I'm trying to post, or even on Instagram, I'm trying to post more. That's one of my goals for 2025. You know, because my TikTok be like slacking. I watch videos on there, but I don't really post over there. Oh, look who came to say hi. Tigger. Mom. So, you could go see this weekend's 420 friendly video I did. And if that's not for you, that's cool too. We don't discriminate though on this side. The lamb samosa is top tier. Yeah. A little bit of the sauce. Some rice. And then this right here. Oof. I'm telling you. Let's cook it. If if anybody knows what this sauce is, let me know. Because it's good. It's like a aioli. I don't know. But I like it. I like it a lot. Dip the naan in there and then dip it in. Mom. You know when something just hits? H2O. Jonathan. Who wanted that? Hello. Alright, my lovies. Don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats.